Whiten inner thighs at home. Having dark inner thighs is one of the most common beauty problems faced by women and men too. Pigmented inner thighs not only cause embarrassment but also affect your self-confidence. Anyone can develop dark inner thighs, regardless of their complexion. One of the main reasons for this is the excess production of melanin, a pigment that gives your skin its tone. Medically, this is referred to as hyperpigmentation. Some factors that can cause your inner thighs to darken are chafing that may occur while walking with wet or sweaty clothes on, medications like chemotherapy drugs or oral hormonal contraceptives, increased exposure to the sun, dry skin, friction on the skin due to tight clothing. Other factors are obesity, it increases the risk of chafing. Hormonal imbalance, certain medical conditions like diabetes or acanthosis nigricans, occupations that require you to stay out in the sun for long periods. Dark inner thighs may force you to limit your choice of clothing and make you extremely self-conscious and hesitant. If you are seeking natural alternatives to this problem, we have your back. Here we have 2 excellent home remedies that can assist in lightening dark inner thighs. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda acts as a mild exfoliant on dry and scaly skin. Its alkaline nature can increase the skin's pH and facilitate the removal of scaly skin. 1. This may also help you get rid of dark inner thighs caused by dry skin. You will need 1 to 2 cups of baking soda. Water. What you have to do, fill your bath with water and add baking soda to it. Allow it to dissolve completely. Soak in the baking soda bath for 10 to 15 minutes. Pat your skin dry and apply a moisturizer. You may do this once every alternate day. 2. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a rich source of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, a natural skin lightening agent. Vitamin C can help treat dark inner thighs by decreasing melanin synthesis in the affected area. You will need 1/2 lemon, cotton pads. What you have to do, squeeze out the juice from half a lemon. Apply the juice to the affected area with a cotton pad. If you have sensitive skin, dilute the lemon juice with an equal volume of water. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it off with water. You may do this once daily. How to prevent dark inner thighs. Wear bicycle or nylon shorts to prevent chafing. Keep the affected area clean and dry. Exfoliate the affected area regularly. Wear loose and breathable clothing when the weather is hot and humid. Avoid shaving, waxing in the affected area to prevent further irritation. Always wear sunscreen with SPF 40 or higher whenever you venture out. Following these tips regularly can reduce your chances of getting hyperpigmentation on your inner thighs to a great extent. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.